In the modern battlefield, it's not enough to see the threat. You have to be able to act on it instantly. Enter the MQ-9 Reaper, a medium-altitude, long-endurance UAV designed not just to watch, but to strike. Operated remotely, the Reaper combines advanced surveillance sensors with precision-guided munitions, making it one of the most versatile ISR platforms in the world. Before drones like the Reaper, persistent surveillance meant risking manned aircraft over hostile territory. The Reaper changed the rules. But with this capability comes controversy. Questions about operational ethics, airspace security, and vulnerability to electronic attack. In contested environments, keeping the Reaper connected and undetected is a challenge in itself. From tracking insurgent movements in Afghanistan to supporting counter-piracy missions off the Horn of Africa, the Reaper has delivered real-time intel and precise firepower. It's been used for search and rescue, disaster relief imaging, and even maritime surveillance, proving it's more than just a weapon. The MQ-9 Reaper is the embodiment of find, fix, finish. An ISR asset that can take the shot when the mission demands it. In our next ISR episode, we'll look at a different kind of intelligence gathering, the silent art of signals intelligence. Keep looking up.